Welcome to the QuMind Academy community video tutorial. This tutorial will focus on the Panelists Management area. You can access this via the community drop down on the left hand side and clicking on Panelists. The Panelists area will allow you to do several things. The focus of this video is on managing panelists in the sense of being able to update your members' emails, passwords, manually unsubscribe, manually ban members, among other things. When you click on the panelist option, the first thing you will see is a database of all your members. This includes anyone who's registered to your panel, any test IDs, etc. You will see different bits of information on the screen and a series of icons. You can scan over each icon to understand what they mean. In order to go into a member's profile to make changes and manage them, you can simply click on the member on screen if they are visible, or search for a member using their ID, email, name, or other keyword. In this case, I'm just going to select ID number 29. When I click on ID number 29, it will open up a series of options. On the first tab, you can see details. You can see the title, the forename, the email address. You can also see other details such as preferred name, surname, IDs, and source. Any of these can be edited by simply typing in the new value and then clicking on Save. You can also change the member's password by clicking on Change Password and entering information as required. Please remember, your community or panel members can change their own email, they can change their own passwords or other details by logging into the member panel or community website, going to My Details and doing this themselves. If you are required to do this for them manually, this will be the area where you can do this. If you click on the next tab, Settings, you will see a few other bits of information, such as what is the status? Is the member registered or not? Is it a test account or not? You can also see other bits of information such as email validated. Are they ring-fenced? Is it a guest user? All these details can be changed by clicking on the drop-downs and then clicking Save in the top right. In order to ban a member from your community or panel, you can do this by going to the Banned drop-down and selecting Yes, and then saving. This will remove the member from your panel or community, and they will not be able to log back in. You can also unsubscribe members manually by simply clicking on unsubscribe and then saving, and they will not receive any more emails or be able to access your panel or community website. You have a shortcut in order to set points or see the points history for a particular member over here on the screen. By clicking on the History tab, you can see all the different surveys your panel or community member has taken part in. In this example, we don't have any, but there would be a list under here. By clicking on the option Share, this will allow you to generate a unique link into any available survey within your community for a panel member, or generate a link for you to test and see whether that panel member can get access to a particular survey that they might be telling you they can't.